Hello everyone, welcome to Maggie Base Family TV. If you are new here, you are highly welcome.
Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for passing by, and if you have been supporting us for a while now, we appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Hi.
Yeah, and we are very happy to be here. We are still on our journey from Hamburg to Netherlands to Belgium, and we will show you what we went to do there when we get there, and when we are coming back we'll also show you some of the things that we will be doing while we are coming back. So like we mentioned on that video, we have been calling this video storytelling, memory
lane.
And let me just add like time machine, because we will be posting videos that we have done about 2 years ago, and also some that we are going to be doing that we do recently. But first, you will be seeing that sometimes I'm a little bit slimmer, sometimes I'm just big. So this is because this is me now, and you'll be seeing me 2 years where I was 2 years ago. And this is just to let people know that when you want to achieve something, you can absolutely achieve. It can be a motivating factor for those people who are also struggling for weight loss, like me. Looking at that video, looking at me now, you see I look healthy and happy. So that is for that is not the video for today, but just to let you know, in case sometimes you see me I'm big, sometimes you see me I'm small, it is not photogenic, it is not any camera thing, it is me from 2 years ago and now. Yeah, so that being said, today
video is it's all about orange and net top
kaftan. And why do I even DIY my top? Why, when I'm going to Nigeria, why don't I just buy expensive clothes and show off there? That is what some people do, or that is what they expect me to do. But for me, that is no, because I don't like showing display.
So now can you tell us why you DIY
my clothes? But I never learn finish. Now you just rush me. For let me learn before you rush me now.
My dear, you don't learn finish Jabrakata. Believe me, make I rush you, I beg.
Okay, so why I actually DIY my things is because creativity is very healthy, is very important to life. Because when you are creative, you help your mind and your brain, and you can last long by exercising your brain. And also you will be useful to your friend, because you will also not be bored, because people will always need your services. Yeah, and that is also a good thing, because boringness can lead to depression, and nobody wants that. And at the same time, it gives you opportunity to do what? To have your unique clothing, unique things. And another reason why I also DIY is because of the country where I come from, my country of origin, Nigeria, because there we do everything ourselves. There is no social welfare. There is no government giving you allowance every month. No, because even from water, if we need water, we have to dig borehole in our houses to get water. If we need electricity, we have to get generator. If you want constant electricity, we have to get generator. If you have money, then you have solar energy, and we provide all these things. And for school, you have to struggle to go to school, and if you come out of school, you have to struggle to learn something, just like I'm doing now, to be able to put food on the table. So it's always do it yourself in where I come from, and I think it's also a good thing. And another reason why I do that is because many people fail to look around them, that they need to struggle to get to where they want to be, and that excess money doesn't actually bring happiness. You know, who said that riches bring a lot of happiness? No, it does contribute. It's a protection if you have some money to give yourself the things that you need, your necessity, but it doesn't really, it's not the key to happiness. Yeah, but creativity is also a contributing factor to happiness, because you are useful to yourself and also to others. The Holy Bible says that there is more happiness in giving than there is in receiving. I repeat that. He said there is more happiness in giving than there is in receiving. Many people is just like, give me auntie, give me that, and they result in doing what? They result in atakparakpanogyoji ole and different things. Jawu, not even Jawu now, Jawu plus. And when you get this money, are you actually happy? But people that have just little, they are happy. So this is the reason why I spread my creativity and I try to help
I think
people.
we will expand on that in our next video.
Yeah, you are absolutely right.
Mama, will you also show video of our ski acquisition in Nigeria?
Yeah, of course. When we get to, we will also create a stop for that. When we get to that, we'll show it. But already, like you mentioned, the slides I showed before and the one I'm going to show now is also part of the skill acquisition. So but we will elaborate on that when we get to that stop, because that is also a way how we give to the society. Really, all these years that we have been posting in other channels, we have really received a lot of words, a lot of compliment, a lot of thank you, and that is really refreshing for us, you know.
So now I think we need to go down to the tutorial.
Yeah, let's show the tutorial now. So why am I showing the tutorial? Like we measured it already, so you will see that the dress is a little bit tight on my neck, as you've seen it, and the hand, because I just wanted to have really a high neck compared to the one I showed before in the other video, the white one that I showed. So this one I wanted it to be different. So it is a very fast one, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And the next one we are going to be discussing will be mostly about the skill acquisition. Yeah, so thank you guys and keep watching. This is the fabric that I use. Is just the length of my table. You can see it's just the length of my tape measurements. My tape measurements stop at 60. With these two here is 2 inches or less than 2 inches. So this is what I use. And the next thing I did was to fold the fabric in two. Here is closed and here is open. Okay, so what I do next, I will take this end, these two ends, to join the other two ends. Okay, I will arrange it properly. I will make sure that it all fits well, and if you are not sure that your fabric is standing well, you will have to pin them. It's all straight here. The next, all the open side are here. What we will do now, we are going to take the neckline. I'm going to just go across the neckline. You see, I'm taking just an inch from here like this, an inch, and then I'm going to chop it out. If it is too, because it's a net fabric, so that is why I'm doing that. If it is too small, then I will open again. So, and then from the neckline, I'm going to measure just 12 inches. 12 inches for the armhole. Okay, I will measure 12 inches. First, I will cut this neckline out. I will cut the neckline out, and now I will take the two edges of the fabric. You see, this is where we mark the 12 inches. I will take the two edges of the fabric straight to where we have these 12 inches. Yeah. I will also mark 1.5 inches here. If it is too small, it's better that I add to it than when it's too wide for the armhole. So I will just chop the both parts out. I'm going to open it, and then we see what we have. So now You see now what we have? We have the armhole, maybe a little bit too small, and then we have the neckline. So to my understanding, the neckline is a little bit too small now, so let me just add a little bit to it. Bit too small, and the armhole as well. So I will just cut it down a little bit, just a few, like that. I have my neckline and my armhole, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fold it and sew them in the machine like 2 times like this. I will add the pin, you see, like twice. My nails are not in the best form, you guys know. So this is what I will do. I will fold it. I don't want to add the bias because then it will no longer be stretchy. So that is why I'm not adding a bias. I'm just going to fold it like that. You see? Fold it and do the same here. This is the armhole. I will do the same. So you can see from the back. Just to show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do it round, round, and round, and sew it in the machine. So that is the only place I'm sewing. Then I will hem here as well, and then it's done.
Okay, I think that is all for now. Thank you guys for watching.
Please like and subscribe and share.
Thank you very much. We appreciate you. We love you. And if you want to get some of those things like the beading work or the necklaces or even the bead to do it yourself, please contact us. Check all our social media platform and just reach out to us. We'll be happy to forward the things to you, and it will be really a great help for us. Yeah, thank you so much. Or you just want something me to make something for you, you have a picture of what you want to have out for in regards to necklaces, please contact us. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.